Hello my dear student, Algebra lecture number 12, chapter number 2, quadratic equation. Now in this lecture I am going to explain you some topics. Okay, nature of roots of a quadratic equation. Now by means of b square minus 4ac you can decide the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation, whether roots are real or what, equal, unequal or not real. Okay, now here some conditions are given that you try to understand. Okay, if you want to decide nature of quadratic equation, now you should know b square minus 4ac. Condition number 1, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the root of the given quadratic equation are real and unequal. Then condition number 2, if b square minus 4ac is what, greater than 0, now greater than 0 means positive, then the roots are real and unequal. And third condition is this, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that means it is negative, then the roots of the given quadratic equation are not real. Okay, now in this case you remember one thing, b square minus 4ac is called discriminant, and this discriminant is denoted by triangle and it is called delta. So delta means this triangle is equal to b square minus 4ac and it is called discriminant. Okay, then I will explain you one more topic, the relation between roots of the quadratic equation and coefficients. So you know coefficients of quadratic equation. Okay, now if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, then there is a relation between alpha beta and the coefficients of quadratic equation. Coefficient of what terms? X square term, x term and what, constant. Okay. Now if alpha and beta are the root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, so this is a standard form, then the relation is alpha plus beta means two roots of quadratic equation, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Now these relations are what, very important. Okay, so this you try to remember. Now then by means of this you can obtain quadratic equation. To obtain a quadratic equation having given roots, suppose the roots are given, then you can write a quadratic equation. So always what, when quadratic equation is given you find roots, but if roots are given then you can write quadratic equation. So now this you try to understand. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation in variable x, then quadratic equation is x square minus into bracket alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation if alpha and beta are given. Okay, now for this or for more explanation I will solve some example from practice set 2.5. page number 49. Question number 1. Now one activity is given, fill in the blank and complete. Okay, now then we'll try this. The activity is this. In this box it is given quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then b square minus 4ac is equal to 5 given, and b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5 given. Then you have to write in this box the nature of the root. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to 5. That means it is greater than 0. Positive, it is greater than 0, and therefore roots are real and unequal. Now here given b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5. That means it is negative. That means b square minus 4ac is less than 0, and hence the root of this quadratic equation is what? Not real. Okay. Then second activity, sum of roots is equal to minus 7 given, and quadratic equation x square, therefore quadratic equation what? X square minus into bracket minus 7, this sum x plus 5. So if you compare this with standard form of quadratic equation, then a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, and c is equal to 5, and product is equal to what? Alpha into beta is equal to c upon a, and therefore product is equal to 5 upon 1 is equal to 5. Okay. Now third question is this. If alpha and beta are root of quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0, then write down alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Now this equation, if you compare with standard form of quadratic equation, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to minus 3. Now alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Then here you substitute value. So minus into bracket minus 4 upon 2 gives you 2. So alpha plus beta means sum of the root is equal to 2, and the product of roots is equal to alpha into beta is equal to c upon a, and here c is equal to minus 3 and a is equal to 2, and therefore c upon a is equal to minus 3 upon 2, and therefore product of roots is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Okay. Now then I explain you example number 2. Question number 2. Find the value of the discriminant. So you know what is discriminant. Now given equation x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in standard form, and therefore solution given x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then this you compare with standard form. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, and c is equal to minus 1. And therefore delta means discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 7 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. Simplify this, and therefore discriminant delta b square minus 4ac is equal to 49. This become plus minus what? Plus 49 plus 4 gives you 53. Okay. Then question number 2. 2y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. Now solution given 2y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. Compare this equation with standard form. Comparing with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0, and therefore a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 10, and therefore discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5 square minus 4 into 2 into 10. So minus 5 square is equal to 25, and this is equal to minus 80, and therefore 25 minus 80 is equal to minus 55. Okay. Then one more question. Question number 3. Root 22, root 2 x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation given, and this equation is what in standard form, and therefore you compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to root 2, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 2 root 2, and therefore discriminant delta b square minus 4ac is equal to 4 square minus 4 into root 2 into 2 root 2. If you simplify this, so 4 square is equal to 16 minus 4 root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So 4 into 4 is equal to minus 16. So 16 minus 16 is equal to 0, and here discriminant is equal to 0. Okay. Now it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any question, put in comment box. Thank you.